Oh, go ahead, play it. I know, I think something else. No, they're still on Facebook. Ready? We ready? We recording? Damn well, shit. Chacho TV? And David TV?
Fuck you.
What is wrong with this nigga? Look, man, check it out. I see you guys on Facebook. All you females talking about fuck this nigga and all this other bullshit.
Well,
And
fuck you
no, but check it out. I see this is real shit. And I know a lot of you females got these niggas on your either tag picture, on your photos. You guys break up, talk all this shit, but these motherfuckers is still on your motherfucking page. I don't understand that. If you done with a nigga, why you guys got pictures together and shit, man? And then 2-3 days that'll pass by and they're on some, oh, we in love, baby, I miss you, and all this other bullshit.
We gon' get married.
We gon' get married, baby. I'm wifey, I'm this and I'm baby mama.
I'm baby girl.
Straight up, baby. I'm the only one, bitch. Stop fucking with groupie hoes and come on, man. Are you serious? Like that looks foolish. Hey, if you don't like what the fuck I'm saying, hey, you can kick rocks. You putting your shit on motherfucking display when you put this shit on your post, on your status and shit. I don't know what the fuck this crazy ass nigga's talking about. Man, shut the fuck up, you silly motherfuckers. See, that's why there ain't no fucking David TV. You don't know. Shut up, nigga. You fucking me up. It's Chacho TV, man. Ain't fucking fuck up TV over here. God, this nigga oaky as hell, man. Keep drinking what you drinking, man.
Come in.
Fuck all you braggedy ass down a lot of bitches.
That's why you ain't got no girlfriend, cuz.
I don't need bitches on Facebook. Fuck y'all bitches. I'm thirsty.
But you got like 300 some girls on your Facebook, cuz.
I don't even
Like, well, what's up with that?
It ain't me.
It ain't you? Then who the fuck is it? Sure the fuck looks like you. Matter of fact, I think you wearing the shirt right now. That's in one of your pictures.
I don't think so.
Yeah, go look at his pictures. David Garcia. Check him out. Tell me if he's got the same shirt he got in that picture right now.
Man, fuck y'all raggedy ass bitches.
Hey, he said it, not me. I mean, I love females. I love bitches, but if they too bitchy, I can't fuck with them. All I'm saying is if you break up with a nigga and you talking shit to him and all this other bullshit, you won't ever be with him. Maybe you should take his pictures off your fucking Facebook. Stop looking foolish, because that's all you're fucking doing. And you tell people, God damn, nigga, that fucking...
Wait.
That singer, boy, fucking me up.
That boat behind you, hang yourself, motherfucking bitch.
Get him up. Look, man. Chacho TV. Not David TV, nigga. You stop, nigga. Like I'm saying, take the nigga off your Facebook. Take him off. All the pictures. Straight up. You putting your business out there. And when motherfuckers tell you how they feel and just be like, damn, girl, you fucked up. Or, you know what I'm saying, say something, then you get all fucking mad. Don't put your business out there. You letting everybody know. It's like you want motherfuckers' opinion. Well, that's my opinion. If you breaking up with a nigga, stay broken up. Alright? So you gonna talk shit? Make sure you stand by what the fuck you saying and not next week you in love with him, the next day y'all off to fucking Florida, Beijing.
I'll take you there.
Boy, if you don't beat your ass up, boy, stop texting, nigga. Chacho TV, man. You heard it.